To get back to my moving map, I just simply take the outer knob and I'm going to roll it to the nav page. Nav page 2 is my moving map. Let's say we're cruising along for weather reason, weather or something else, or maybe your customer you're flying just simply calls and goes, hey, I want to go to, instead of going all the way to Reno, let's go to LAX and pick up a friend before we go to Reno. Well, to divert, well, let's say you have an issue and you want to go to your closest divert. If you want to go to your closest divert, you have two ways of doing that. The easiest way for closest airfield is simply hit direct. And if you roll this to right there, nearest VGT, hit enter. It says activate, enter. And then right down here, it says desired track 040 now. So that tells you what you need to roll into your HSI to go direct to KVGT. Okay, another way to figure out what your nearest is on this. Down here, you can change the chapter to the nearest page. And on the nearest, page 1 is airports, and they're in order. Page 2 is intersection, and they're in order. Page 3 is NDB. Page 4 is VORs. Page 5 is user-defined points. Page 6 is ARTCC, so you want to figure out, hey, I'm lost. I need to call LA Center. You go to this page right here, you have their frequency, and you're going to be able to talk to them. And then flight service station, nearest flight service station, and then nearest airspace listed. The other thing that's nice is, let's say you're calling up Reno Flight Service, and Reno Flight Service says, hey, give me your position off of LAS, off of Las Vegas VORTAC. Well, you don't currently have that programmed in GPS, so to prevent you from having to reprogramming it, if you just go to nearest, go to this page for VOR, you go bearing to it, right, is 154. So you are 180 of that, so you're 334 for 7.9 miles from Las Vegas VORTAC. That's your two ways of figuring out the nearest. Let's say you didn't want to go to VGT, but you wanted to go to McCarran. You just simply activate, roll to there, go enter, and that's where it is. You hit direct, LAS, enter, activate, enter, direct, desired track 151 now, so you'd roll that in your HSI. Make sure you're on GPS on your steering.